Hello, my dear learners. Are you ready to learn new things? Okay, let's go. Now, I am going to start our lesson with a nice quotation, and there is hidden our today's new theme. If you can dream it, you can do it. May all dreams come true. I think you have found the keyword of today's theme here. Today, we will learn about CANT. If you learn this lesson attentively with interest, you will read these learning outcomes. You will be able to perceive the modal verb can in positive, negative, and question forms. You will be able to utilize the another variant of asking permission and according permission. You will be able to use the modal verb can in your own speech, sentences, dialogues, etc. Today at the lesson we will take information about the positive, negative and question forms of can. I can speak English. The uses of can. First, can is used to show ability or possibility. I can swim. It means it's possible for me to swim. Can is also used for permission. You can use my pen. Means you have permission to use my pen. You can use my pen. How do we make sentences in English with can? It's simple. Can doesn't change with the subject. It's always can. Everybody can. After can comes the verb, the base form of the infinitive. He can speak, I can speak, but there is no S when we speak she can speak. Why? Because we use the base form of the infinitive and we remove two parts. Let's look at this example. He can speak English. Is it correct? Yes, it's correct. Because first subject, then can and verb. The next sentence. He can speak English. Is it correct? He can speak English. No, it's not correct. Why? Because with can there is no S after the verb. The next sentence. He can too speak English. Is it correct? He can too speak English. No, it's not correct because after can we don't have the infinitive with to. You can see we use can with all subjects. For example, I can speak English, play the guitar. It can swim, the fish can swim. We can play football. How can we make negative sentences? It's easy. We use can't instead of can. Contraction. Can't is a contraction of cannot. When we speak in English, can't is more common than cannot. The uses of can't, it's to say you do not have the ability to do something. For example, I can't swim. Can't is also used when someone doesn't have permission. For example, you cannot use my pen. This means you do not have permission to use my pen. For example, I can speak English. I can't speak Japanese. He can speak Arabic. He can't speak German. She can drive a car. She can't drive a bus. A fish can swim. A fish can't climb trees. Here you can read the affirmative and negative forms of sentences with singular and plural subjects. How for questions with can. How can we make a question using can? We change the order of the subject and can. For example, you can swim. Can you swim? If you want to give a short answer or response, yes, I can or no, I can't. For example, can he play tennis? No, he can't. If we use question words such as what, when, where, why, how many, etc., they go before can. You can see here the question words come before can, and then subject and verb. What can you do? When can I go home? How many languages can he speak? It's very easy. Let's see our theme in dialogues in conversation. Can Lola run fast? Yes, she can. Can you run fast? No, I can't. Can you tell me the time, please? It's about 3:30. Thank you. That's okay. Our lesson is getting over. Don't afraid of I can't. The impossible is possible. Thank you for attention. See you next lessons. Bye bye.